Well, hello, Santina. My goodness, we're so excited. Oh my gosh. We're just way too excited. Get my chair over. There's my Santina. You want to step off? Of course you do. Going back in the cage you don't like, right? You don't care to go back inside the cage. You do not. Hold on. Don't you get me, little bugger. I'm hurrying. You're so impatient. You're such a teenager. You're such a teeny bopper. You're a Barbie girl, too. You know this. But I love you. However silly you are, I think you're a silly girl. I love Santina. Ooh, little Santina. She's a good girl. Love that Santina. We love you, Santina. You are a happy girl. You're so happy.